Hey guys, this is Trina here. We're going to do a little acrylic pour painting today. So I've got these bronze colors, these gold colors, and I'm mixing them together with this flood Floetrol to thin it out so I can pour it. You'll see that it's sort of a mixture there. Then I'm going to flood the canvas with some white paint mixed with the floral, blow it out with a hairdryer to get it everywhere on the canvas. You see I'm just sort of working it in and spreading it out until we have a nice flat surface so we can add our colors. Next I'm going to start pouring the paint. Start with my dark color, the black. I'm adding in a little bit of the bronze color, and we want to puddle these on top of each other. Here I'm adding white so that when we take the hairdryer to it and blow it up from the top, it's going to spread it out in a really cool pattern. So I've added some gray and some more white. I tend to add the white in between every color so that the colors don't get too mixed together. And the fuchsia, which is going to be amazing. And I kind of like the little extra fuchsia. Then some more bronze. And finally some white inside, just a little bit. And then we're going to pour it around the outside. And we're going to blow that white over top of those colors. And you'll see why in a minute. So here I'm blowing it from the bottom. And then I'm blowing down from the top, covering up the paint. And now I'm going to go back in and spread it out. And you can see already the really cool organic lines that are coming through by just that little bit. I added a bit more pink because I like pink and it needed to be a little bit more. So I'm blowing that out right now and it's turning out really cool. I like it right now. Ooh, big splash. The paint has to be very thin. So right here I'm taking a straw and I'm kind of going back in and blowing through it. And now I'm using a blowtorch to bring out some of the popped bubbles and bring out some of these really cool cells that you'll see in the final painting. So let's take a close-up look at what we did today. I like this color. I like how it's spanning out. Excuse my poor camera work. And I really think it turned out great. Please like and share and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.